Hi guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the WHITESTONE Dome Glass for your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So this is a premium screen protector for the Galaxy S21 series. So this Galaxy S21 already comes with a film protector. The film are very thin and they can get scratched easily. So you can see already here I have scratches at the top when I have it against something in my pocket, perhaps a key or something. Now with at the top here there are also bubbles starting to form already after a few weeks of using. So this film protector here is kind of like temporary screen protectors. It doesn't really protect it that well. If your phone is dropped against a rock or something sharp, it can easily break your screen. So with the glass screen protector, it offers you a much better protections. So let's take a look what is inside this box. Okay, so I'm going to open it. So this is really exciting because this screen protector comes with a machine that helps you to install the screen protector perfectly and correctly. So you can see here there is a E-Jig installation mechanism. This one here. So we got that. There is some adhesive gel in here. There are three adhesive gel. One come on the side here. So let's see what else is in here. Let's open it up. So here we got this one here is a pad to clean your screen. So you got two pads right here. So I'm placing the pads on the side. Got the warranty paper, lots of warranty paper and information, installation paper as well. Then we got the dome glass right here. There are two glasses in this package. So let's pull it out and have a look. So this is the glass right here for your Galaxy S21 Ultra. It is curved, so you can see it's kind of curved a little bit, not that much, but it does actually have a curve on the side here. So let's see what it's like. Placing it on top of the phone right there. So that's the curve there that goes all the way out to the edge of the phone. So the top doesn't go all the way to the top. It kind of like stop at the top of the camera where the camera's end right there. And the same as for the bottom, doesn't go all the way down to the bottom. So that's the glass right there. It comes with two pieces. So if the first one breaks after a while, you can use the other one. And you have three adhesive gels. You only need to use one each time. I guess the other one is kind of like a backup. So if you make mistakes and it doesn't work out, you can wipe it off and then try it again. So there's a handbar here. This one helps you to install the screen correctly. Inside this package are dust removers. So you got dust remover, you got alcohol wipes, you got masking tapes. This is to mask the top of your phone ear speaker. Then you got absorber pads. This one normally placed on the side to help absorb any excess adhesive gel that overflow to the side. You also got cleaning cloth. So the cleaning cloth are very clean, very smooth. Right here, I'm just going to try to open it to see how many pieces in here. There are 1, 2, and 3 pieces of white cleaning cloth to clean the dust off your screen. Then you got alcohol wipes in here. You got 3 packs of alcohol wipes in here, and then you got 4 strips or maybe more than 4 strips. It's quite a few packs in here. So you got 2 packs of 4 strips of masking tapes. So this one will mask the buttons, so it will help to prevent the excess liquid adhesive from going to the buttons. So that is everything inside the box here. Also included is the UV light. So I'm just going to try to cut this one open. Okay, so inside this box is a dome glass UV light. So it's come with this USB cable to charge it up. I'm just wondering if there is anything on this side as well. Let's open it up and check it out. So on this side it's just empty, probably just padding for the box. And here we got the dome glass. We got a preset timer, 15 seconds and 60 seconds preset timers. This one will help to cure the liquid adhesive, and that will allow the screen protectors to form a strong bond with your actual screen. And that's it. So that is everything inside the box of your WHITESTONE Dome Glass. It is a big package. This time it's quite a large package, mainly due to a lot of components in here. It's got the machines, it's got the glass, it's got the UV cure for the adhesive. And so that is everything inside the box, guys. The installation guys will be coming next. I will make the videos on how you can install this on your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.